Hello guys and welcome back. We have finished CSS course, which means it's project time. In this video, I'm giving you a small web page to design from scratch. It has a couple of sections. So as you can see here, we've got a top bar with a logo and some menu items. When you hover here, it shows you a drop-down menu. Then we've got this landing section. After that, we've got these step section. And when you hover on a step, these icons, they scale in and out. After that, we've got this vegan store section. Again, when you hover on an item, these icons, they scale in and out. After that, we've got this testimonial section. When someone hovers, these cards, they get a shadow. After that, we've got this follow us. So when you hover on this button, the styles change. It gets a border and a transparent fill. After that, we've got these stats aligned horizontally. And then we've got this video section where you can play the video. And after that, we've got this address section so it has two addresses on the left hand side and a contact us form on the right hand side. And at the end, we've just got this footer. So that's all for the desktop screen. Now coming for the mobile screen. And as you can see in the top bar, we've just got a logo and a buy now button. We've got the landing section. When you scroll, these steps are one in each line. Similarly, these vegan store items, even these are just one in each line. And even these testimonials, they are one in each line. After that, we've got this strawberry and followers section. The followers section is in a new row. Then these stats, now they're center aligned vertically. Then we've got this video player to play our video. After that, we've got this address part. And after that, we've got this contact us form. And after that, it's just the footer. That's all, guys. So I will add all the required details in the description below. Please check it out. Also, I will add a link to an image which will contain this entire desktop version of the design, just for your reference. And I will add all the other required details like image URLs, icons, font styles, etc., etc. Please check out the description. All the best, guys. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.